Welcome back to See My Review, where we unbox, review, and bring you the freshest kicks straight out of the box. Today, I've got something very special lined up for all you sneakerheads out there. The Jordan 4 Retro University Blue. This pair is fire, and we're going to break it all down: the design, the details, and of course, where you can cop it on sale right now. So stick around because you don't want to miss this. Let's talk about what makes the Jordan 4 University Blue a must-have. First off, this pair is a tribute to Michael Jordan's college days at UNC, featuring a stunning university blue suede upper that instantly stands out. The build quality is solid with breathable mesh netting on the quarter panels and tongue, and those iconic speckled cement gray accents on the midsole, heel tab, and eyelets. You've also got bold black hits on the wing eyelets and Jumpman logo, which tie the whole design together. It's not just stylish, it's super wearable and built for comfort thanks to that classic air unit in the sole. I know a lot of you are wondering, where can I grab these? Well, the good news is there's a limited time sale going on right now over at the website linked in the description. They're offering great discounts on the Jordan 4 University Blue and a bunch of other heat. You'll find direct purchase links, social media pages, and contact numbers all down below, so make sure to check that out. Whether you're shopping from your phone or desktop, it's a smooth, secure process and they ship fast. That wraps up today's unboxing and review of the Jordan 4 Retro University Blue. If you're loving this pair as much as I am, go hit that link in the description and grab yours before they're gone. Stock is limited and trust me, these won't last. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment to let me know what you think of these kicks, and of course, subscribe to See My Review for more unboxings, reviews, and hot sneaker deals. Catch you in the next one. If you're a sneakerhead or a fashion lover on the hunt for top-tier gear without breaking the bank, ckshoesvip is a destination you'll want to bookmark. This site has quickly become a favorite among style-savvy shoppers thanks to its impressive selection of high-quality sneakers and fashion items. Whether you're after the latest Yeezys, Jordans, Dunks, or designer apparel, ckshoesvip brings it all together in one sleek, easy-to-navigate platform. What really sets them apart is their commitment to authenticity. You can shop confidently knowing every item is carefully verified, so you're getting the real deal every time. But it doesn't stop there. Their affordable prices are a huge win, especially if you're trying to stay on trend without draining your wallet. Combine that with secure payment options, fast, reliable shipping, and customer service that actually cares, and you've got a shopping experience that's as smooth as it is satisfying. Plus, their site is designed with the user in mind,